Hello, Anthony. Yes, I am worried. We are having some problems these days.
So, Frank, I received your message. You told me you were worried. What happened?
And that's good. Because that's what I want. I don't want him to know about these problems.
Wow, I did not know that. I talked to the owner last month and he did not tell me anything.
The sales are falling. We are making 50% less than last year, and that's not good. If we keep like this, we will have to close this office. You know that's something possible.
I get it. But tell me, what are those problems we are having then?
I'm not sure. That's why I need you to investigate. That's why I called you. You are the supervisor. You know the sellers, the workers very well. I need your help. What do you think is happening in this company? What is the problem? Have you noticed anything weird lately? You talk to them every day. What's going on?
Yeah, I know. But why do you think this is happening? Any special reason?
Yes, I get it. But what can we do then? Because we need to do something soon.
Well, now that you mention that, you are right. They look different nowadays. I think they have lost motivation. They are getting bored of doing the same job. I mean, they work hard, but not as before. I don't know if you understand me.
Thank you. I knew I could count on you. I will leave it in your hands.
It's simple. I'm gonna ask everyone what they want. What motivates them? You don't worry. Leave it to me. I will ask them all and then I'll tell you. Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming. I have something important to talk to you. I have been talking to the general manager about your performance at your current positions. This company is always looking for new ways to motivate our workers. We have realized you are not as motivated as before, and that's probably our fault. That's why I'm here today. I want to ask you all, guys. What do you want? Seriously. And I want you to tell me the truth. We want to improve the performance here. We have the objectives clear and you know that. But we'll just make it possible if you cooperate. That's why I want you to tell me what you need in order to work better and sell more of our products. Please feel free to tell me the truth. Anything you tell me I will take into account. So, who wants to start then? Orlando, what about you? What do you need?
Wow! I never thought this day would come someday. It's amazing. I mean, do not misunderstand me, please. We like to work here, but it's the first time you ask us something like that. Anyway, well, to start, we need a new air conditioning machine. It can get really hot in here. Sometimes it's too hot that we sweat a lot. Our shirts get wet and we can't work like that. So, a new air conditioning machine would be amazing. Also, the cafeteria. Oh, my God. You really need to sell more types of food. Varied food. We can't eat the same every day. We need more healthy food and not only fast food. More vegetables and fruits, please. For me, I think that's all. Lucas also has some things to say. Right, Lucas? Come on.
To be honest, yeah. Good afternoon, Supervisor. You know I don't usually talk. But this is a great opportunity to tell you all the things we need in order to work better. Well, first, I think you need to know that we work really hard every day. Every single day. And every time we are thirsty and we need to drink something, we have to go to the cafeteria. That takes us a lot of time and also money. That's why I think we need a water dispenser. A water dispenser in each office would be fine. That way we could drink water while working. And another thing is the first aid kit. Last day I cut myself with a paper by mistake. I went to the nursing room here in the company and I couldn't find anything. Not even a bandage. That's why I beg you. Please, take care of that. Oh, before I forget that. We need more time. I mean, to have lunch. 45 minutes is not enough. I think it must be at least an hour. That way we could eat well and not really fast. An hour would be fine. I think that's it. Oh, I was talking to Finnick and he also has some ideas. Come on, Finnick.
Honestly, I did not expect something like this. I think this is a great idea you and the manager had. It's something good you really take care of our necessities as your workers. That's great. I know we have been having some issues at selling the company products, but this will really help us stay motivated. And about our requirements, all that my coworkers had said before is true. But we need something even more important. To start, we need more vacation days. 15 days is not enough for us. I think it should be 30 days minimum. That way, we could travel to some nice place. Or we could just stay at home and enjoy that time with our families. It would be great. Also, we need a pay raise. The money we earn every month is not enough and we need more. I think 50% of our salary would be awesome. That's the best way to stay motivated. And to finish, we would like to have Saturdays free. We don't like working on that day. That's why I propose we work just from Mondays to Fridays. What do you think? It's not that much. When are we gonna get all of these benefits?
I see. I have heard you all. Now I know what you want from us. Make sure I will talk to the general manager to find the best solution. Don't worry. I will let him know about all your necessities and we both will take a decision. The best one. All we want is the improvement of the performance of this great company. So, just make sure we are gonna make it happen. Now, go back to your work and have a good day.
I knew it. We will finally have all those things we wanted, guys. Finally. I told you. I told you that if we didn't work well, they would do something to change it. Now we are gonna get a pay raise, air conditioning, more food, free water, and more vacation days. We have to celebrate it. Today, I will pay for the beers. Let's go.
It's done, sir. I asked everyone what they wanted and now I know what we have to do.
Excellent. So, what do we have to do in order to sell more products?
We need to fire everyone and start interviewing new people. That's the only possible way.